Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going to go over the ZERO1 Labs token. Ticker symbol is DEAI, and this token just got a big central exchange listing starting today, and we're going to go over the information on this token, see if there's any warnings in the contract, find some audits, hopefully find a KYC. We're going to look for as much security as we can on this token and verify if the contract is safe or not. So we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token here, it was just announced that they're getting a brand new central exchange listing today on COINEX Global. So that is a very big exchange. I also see that they're getting a bunch of other central exchange listings. In their pinned tweet here, if you go to @ZERO1_labs, they have their contract address in the pinned tweet. They have a link to DEX tools where you can see how the chart is doing. And they have a link to UNISWAP as well, where you can get the token on UNISWAP. And I believe, yeah, like maybe BITMART, or I saw a few other central exchange listings happening. So the cool thing is, if you get the contract address, you could put it into DEX Screener, and you could find some audits on DEX Screener, hopefully. And if not, you could put the contract address also into DEX Tools and see if you can find some audits on there. And also we'll have a look at their webpage to see if they have any full audits on there, or KYCs or team doxing or anything like that. So their webpage is z1labs.ai. It says, "Wake up, Anon, powering decentralized AI. ZERO1 is a DEAI ecosystem creating a new economic primitive." And it says, "Build on ZERO1 or click Learn More." So Keymaker, a new home for your DEAI apps. So leverage DEAI toolset, API, and dApp Store. We've developed a comprehensive open platform designed specifically for open source DEAI developers. Utilize your pre-built tools, streamline your workflow with our Zapier-like API, and launch your application on our dApp Store. Take advantage of the Zero Economic Framework every time your application is used. Join Zero Construct Program. It says, leverage the Zero Economic Framework, creating a new economic framework for open source AI developers. Accelerate your DEAI app from conception to launch and make the ZERO1 flywheel work for you. Build on Cypher. Made for data governance and ownership, Cypher is tailored for AI and large language model-driven applications, functioning autonomously as its distinct blockchain to facilitate decentralized AI applications. The first fully inclusive ecosystem for DEAI. Our proof-of-stake ecosystem aims to unify the dispersed DEAI tools and kits built off community-centric ethos. Z1 ensures that the economic incentives are aligned with every user. So the Keymaker is an open platform with a DEAI toolset, a Zapier-like API, dApp store, and a discovery platform. It provides a POS usage-based alternative to the dominant proof-of-work computing, rewarding economic models of DEAI. So it's got new home for your DEAI apps, launch your app with us, get rewards, automate your workflow, powerful tools to help you. Join the Zero Construct program where they have chain agnostic product suite, developer resources, ZERO1 global community, data monetization, funding and grants. Create best-in-class DEAI apps. So these are some of the things that this offers here. Now, if you scroll all the way down to their bottom of their webpage at z1labs.ai, they have a section for Cypher, Keymaker, ZCP, ZERO1 Docs, their Explorer, Lightpaper, Ecosystem blog, Roadmap, Early Access Forum, Careers, Become a Validator, Technical Updates, About, Frequently Asked Questions, Privacy Policy, Branding, and Terms of Service. So nothing that says audit, which is unfortunate. Now, you could open up their documents, which I'm going to assume has the same type of information as their white paper or light paper there. That will take you to docs.z1labs.ai. And maybe on there they'll have an audit. So you can scroll. Usually the audits are at the bottom of document sections. So you can scroll down to the very bottom here, and there's so many links that it could be hidden. Let's see here. It says documents, light paper, product roadmap, tokenomics. So maybe on tokenomics section. Now, just basically how-to guides I'm seeing all the way down through their documents. But yeah, I don't see anything on here I see a team section, so you can check out team section. And let's see here. So they do have LinkedIn addresses, first names, and job titles for their teams. So that is something. So you could review that, have a look to see if these are real people. You know what I mean? Or hopefully they're real people. You never know. They could be faked LinkedIn addresses. You never know. I'm not saying they are or they aren't. But going in their tokenomics section, I don't see anything that says audit on here. So maybe they have an audit. It's possible, but it's probably hidden because they have so many links on here. It could be somewhere else. Usually they have a security section on their documents. You click on that and it'll have an audit on there, but I don't see anything like that yet. Maybe it is coming in the future. They do have a team section with LinkedIn addresses, so that's something. Now, if you go over to their DEX tools chart, so they have partially locked liquidity. It looks like it's like 75% or something locked because it has almost the full circle, $10.56 million in liquidity on Uniswap. They have a market cap of $62.49 million. So their liquidity on Uniswap is not fully locked. They have 6,200 holders. And if you scroll down, they have a DEX score of 89 out of 99. So not perfect DEX score. Community trust score is 94.4, so pretty high. But they do have some audits. Quick Intel, Token Sniffer, GoPlus, Happy Security, and Honeypot.is did audits on this token. And it's not perfect. So there's a conflict here. Quick Intel says no proxy contract warning. But for some reason, Token Sniffer, GoPlus, Happy Security, and Honeypot says yes, that there is a proxy contract warning. Quick Intel says yes, there is an external call risk warning. So that's kind of sketchy. And then it also says other risks. So it's not perfect. There is some warnings there, so be aware of that when you're thinking about getting this token. That is not perfect. There is some alerts that you should definitely be aware of. And they have, let's see here, tokensniffer.com says source does not contain any proxy contract. Creator of the wallet contains less than 5% of the circulating supply. And there's a warning on there. So the creator of the wallet owns 19.84% of the tokens, it says. And then it says at least 95% of liquidity burned and locked for 15 days. There's a warning on that too, so yeah, just be aware of all those warnings. That's on their token sniffer full audit, and you can find that on Dex Screener. And then the other one that I just mentioned you can find on Dex Tools. So not perfect at all. There's definitely warnings, and definitely it doesn't mean that this token is going to be a scam though. Just be aware of that. And it just means that it's potential to be a scam. So definitely do your own research thoroughly. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.